Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, you read the title correctly. We're getting ready to leave paradise here in Frostproof, Florida. You can see right here behind me, it's absolutely amazing, but we're getting ready to pull out. Where are we headed? You'll just have to wait to find out. So yes, guys, we are pulling out. First thing tomorrow morning, you see what we're leaving behind. It's currently about 82 degrees here for November 30th. Here's the shuffleboard court. You seen the pool? Here's the clubhouse. We're going to make a block. This place is absolutely amazing. It's Sun Outdoors Rainbow RV Resort here in Frostproof, Florida. If you haven't checked that out yet, be sure to check it out. You can see we got some bocce ball players over here coming up. You'll be able to see them play. As you know, I do play bocce ball as well, and you'll see that as well in this video. See some people in there resting right now from playing pickleball. See some people over at the pool as well. It's a mostly clear sky here for November 30th. Mid 80s, perfect weather here for the end of November, 1st of December. Can't beat it. Hate to say it, but yes, I'm pulling out. But I will be back. Coming up here, you'll see my site. I actually got it packed up, all but my patio table, which I'm leaving my patio table. There are a few empty spots. Be sure if you call the front office and talk to Kathy or Lauren, be sure to mention Destinations A to Z, and they'll be sure to take care of you, and they'll help you out. Get you a spot in here, because trust me, you won't regret it, as I don't. Here's the back clubhouse and post office. Wow. Check it out. Here is the Christmas decorations for Rainbow RV Resort here in Frostproof, Florida, next to the pond. Is this not nice or what? Look at that. Tell me it's not gorgeous. Absolutely amazing. And after all, remember what Christmas is about. It's about the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ. Not about the gifts, but about the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ. And remember, you can be born again just by remembering that He was shed His grace for you on the cross. So please remember that. There you have it, guys. We brought you along for this trip. We are headed down to further south. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe below. And as always, we thank you for watching. And remember, safe travels. Hope to see you guys on the next one.